Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss on training process of Accenture. Okay, what exactly the training process, how long it will go, everything we are going to discuss in today's video. This is also a most requested video topic, okay, in my comment section. Many of you people has been requested me to make a video on this, like what exactly the training process of Accenture. So I have come up with a video today. Let's just discuss one by one. Before starting the video, let me tell you guys, please go and subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. You will get really informative videos from this channel, okay? And also enable the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload any latest video, okay? And also if you want to have any further communication with me, if you want to have with me, please reach me on Instagram. My Instagram ID and my Gmail ID both I have given in my description box. Fine. Many people tell that in comment section we have commented again but you have not replied, because I will reply in the comment section also, but after that I won't check again because we will not get the notification for that. That is what the main problem is. That's why I couldn't able to reply to you if you message me again on my reply. Fine. So please reach me on Instagram. We will definitely going to have the discussion if you have any further queries. Fine. So let's just discuss on this topic today. The question what people has requested me is, ma'am, please make a video on training process of Accenture. Okay. So let's start with the video now. Okay. So the training process goes like this. It will last for 7 to 8 weeks, which is called as GFT. What do you mean by GFT? Greenfield training. Okay. So it will be like for almost 7 to 8 weeks for you guys if you are going to onboard Accenture. The GFT training will be divided into two parts. First part of training is fundamental training. Second part is stream training. In the fundamental training, it will start from the first month of your training. Okay, here you are going to learn basic programming, software development and life cycle. This you are going to learn at the time of fundamental training. Okay, where in the programming languages like Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, software engineering, everything they are going to teach you in the first phase of the training, that is fundamental training. Fine. Then the next training, which is stream training, which will be happen at the end. Okay, I might be at the last week or last 2 weeks of your training will be the stream training. What you are going to learn in the stream training? In the stream training, the technology which you are going to work in the project for next couple of years, like SAP or Oracle or Salesforce, this kind of things is going to teach in the stream training, okay, for which you are going to work in the project. That is what we call it as stream training. Fine. Everything they are going to teach you, you have to take it seriously. The training has to be taken very seriously. You should not be like, oh, it's just a training, like how you will do it in the graduation and all, some trainings and all, how you will be doing in the very negligible conditions. You cannot do like that in the GFT training of Accenture. You have to take this training very seriously. You have to learn the things very seriously. Whatever the trainer is teaching you, please grab that. If you are not understanding, try to ask the people. Try to ask your seniors or try to get the information from internet and learn the things. Okay, it is not like you will be neglecting this training. Okay, it will be very serious. Please take it very seriously and learn whatever the trainer is teaching you at the time of training. You have to take the trainings very seriously in IT. I am telling you, because many people got rejected because of they have not cleared the exam. After training, they are going to conduct some assessments. If you are not going to clear that, they are going to fire you for sure. Fine. You have to take it seriously, and some percentage they will keep 60%, 2 to 3 attempts they will keep it for you. In the first attempt, you have to score some 60%, and after that, second and third, you have to score 65%, I guess. If you are not going to score that much, then they are going to ask you to resign the company. Fine. So take the training seriously and try to clear the assessments. They are going to give you the attempts. 3 attempts they are going to give you, both for fundamental and stream training. Okay? For the first attempt, they will give you 60% criteria. For the next 2 attempts, they are going to give you 65% of criteria. This is what the information I am having. If anything is changed recently, please do let us know in the comment section. Okay? If you have already attended the GFT, if you have already passed, if you have already cleared the assessment, please do let us know your what exactly your reviews on the GFT training of Accenture. Fine. So that people will come to know what exactly the thing is. See, now let's look at the pattern, how it will be. For fundamental training, there will be 50 MCQs with no negative marking. you have to answer 30 questions correctly out of 50. Okay, 50 MCQs, 50 multiple choice questions you will get it, out of which you have to correctly mark 30 questions. But there will be no negative marking in this. So let's say first attempt you are going to do now. So what you have to do, 30 questions you have to mark it properly out of 50. If you are going to do second attempt, that time for second and third attempt you have to mark 33 questions correctly. In second and third also there will be no negative marking. So as usual, each question is of 1 mark each. So most of the questions contains around 70% questions from Java and SQL. So make sure to be prepared with the good knowledge of OOPS concept. OOPS concept is really important for any programmer. Either you are a developer or you are a tester. Okay, if you are going into R&D role, make sure OOPS concept is really important. Okay, OOPS concept, multi-threading, overloading, these things is there, na? It is very important. Every interview till now, whatever the interview I faced, I got these questions every time. I'm telling, OOPS concept, multi-threading, and also this so many questions are there. Let's just make one video on this also. Okay, but right now concentrate on this. OOPS concept is really important. Okay, make sure to learn Java and joins in SQL. SQL, I hope you already know what exactly it is. It is a structured query language. Okay, there you will be having some joins concept. So make sure to learn that. SQL from top to bottom, basic thing, learn it. You will get the questions from that also. And also most of the question will contain the programs from Java. Okay, whichever the language you are learning, whether it is a Java, C# or C++, okay, it is just a languages, all are having the same concepts. Okay, only thing is the syntaxes will be different. Fine. So most of the questions which let's say if you are going to attend the assessment in Java, then most of the questions they will ask the programs from Java, where they will ask you the expected output, or sometimes what they will tell is find the error in the code. They will give the code, complete code they will give it, and what they will do is intentionally they will do the errors in the code and they will ask you to find that error. Okay, you have to find out. This is what the fundamental training is. 1 month you will be having this fundamental training, at the end of which you will be having this exam assessment. If you couldn't able to clear the assessment, if you couldn't able to pass the assessment, then after 1 week again the retest will be going to happen. During this time you have to attend the stream training classes also. You have to prepare for the fundamental training class, fundamental training assessment. You have to attend the stream training classes also along with this. Fine. Make sure that you will clear in the first attempt itself, so that for stream training you can prepare well. Let's say you have not cleared your fundamental assessment, then you are going to attend the stream training classes also. But if you completed stream training, though you have completed your stream training, fundamental assessment if you have not clear, you cannot sit for stream assessment also. This is just a big loss if you are not going to clear in the first attempt. Okay, but if you take it seriously, you can clear in first attempt itself. Both the things, fundamental assessment also, stream training assessment also, both you can clear in the first attempt itself if you take it seriously for the first time itself. Don't take the things for granted. I am telling now itself, please take it seriously and clear the assessments in the first attempt itself. Stay positive. If you find your trainer below par, make a group of students. Okay, CS or IS students, make a group of them, or else those students who have good understanding of programming languages, decent knowledge on coding skills, okay, make a group of that, or just clarify the doubts with them. Constantly keep clarifying your doubts with them. Make sure that if your trainer is not up to the mark, if you are finding that your trainer is not that good, they are not teaching you well, either you can take the help of online. Okay, online so many materials is available, so many topics, whichever the topic you search, you will get so many content in the internet. You can search there, or you can get the help from the people who is from the CS and IS background. If you are from non-IT background, you can take the help of CS people, computer science background people. They will be having some decent programming skills. Okay, they will help you out for sure. Otherwise, you can take the help of internet. Fine. So training duration is ideally 2 to 3 months, depends upon the stream and projects. After giving your assessment, you will be allotted a stream based upon the score in assessment. After clearing your assessment, you will be allotted for a project in which KT sessions will be happen. They are going to give you the KT session. What exactly the KT session is? Knowledge transfer session. Some senior member of your team, they are going to give you some knowledge transfer sessions, okay, where they are going to teach you everything about the project, the basic concepts, everything they are going to teach you after clearing the assessment. Fine. So this is what all about the Accenture training process, okay, how long it will last, which all training assessments you have to give, for how many months it will be, okay, everything I have discussed in today's video. I hope you got some information on Accenture training process also. If any question, if anything is there, please reach me on Instagram or you can do the comment below. Fine. If you find this video informative, just give it a thumbs up. Anything is there, any further discussion, Gmail or Instagram. My Instagram ID and my Gmail ID both I have given in the description box. Fine. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.